The game changer is again conceptual clarity. Last 10-15 days, the race is that you put yourself in that mindset. You need to understand the logic behind the formulas.
Would you like to share something about the importance of CSAT?
Oh yes, why not? So CSAT was also a very humbling experience in 23. I did not fail it, but even then I knew that there's a lot that needs to go into that as well. I am not naturally good at mathematics, but comprehension for some reason felt like my forte because I've taken other examinations as well. It seemed like my area. But even there, having gone through papers, I realized that practice becomes important because in those last 10-15 days, the race is that you put yourself in that mindset. So for CSAT, the game changer for me in my second attempt in 24 was that I really put myself in that mindset. Har roz sham ke time I would sit with one previous year question paper and solve it in real life circumstances. Yes. And उसको बिल्कुल उसी mindset से देना and then going over the solutions अच्छे से, try to understand what exactly was it, that twitch that you have in your mind कि नहीं ये लग रहा है but ये हो सकता है in comprehension especially. So that mindset becomes important, where you need to stop. Sometimes intuition works for some people because it's backed by that kind of rigorous solving that they might have done earlier. Sometimes it is that second call, that that second guessing that they're doing while they're feeling. Sometimes it works beautiful. For me it was the former. Intuition works best for me.
Okay.
So I realized that after I had done those simulations in the last 10-15 days.
So simulation is actually helping you know yourself better,
Yeah,
right?
Yeah. And in terms of LR and quant, I think the game changer is again conceptual clarity, because I realized that if you go through formulas, आपने रट लिया, सब कुछ कर लिया, I don't think the commission is going after that.
Yes.
You need to understand the logic behind the formulas, and then when you're able to apply them, then your scores start skyrocketing. So I think that is also one of the things I did differently. I solved a lot of numericals, as many as I possibly could in that last 1 month. And even before that, I think I started my CSAT preparation for quant and LR sometime in December itself. So 5-10 questions daily I was doing from December till the date of the exam, which was 15th of June, I think, sometime in June. So I think those were a few differentiators. Hard work. For me, it was complete hard work and smart work in the last 10-15 days.
Oh, very well put.